Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking to you about how to decline when somebody reaches out for a balloon donation. So stick around for more, and please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Leave me a few of your comments, and let's continue to watch this video so you can find out how to politely decline those offers. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to make a specific video on this topic because as a business owner, you are going to find out that a lot of people are going to be reaching out to you for donations. And in my case, I have a balloon business, and a lot of people, a good 89% of the time, they hit me up, they send me requests for me to donate balloons. So I just always struggle with how to politely decline these offers, because as a human being, I just feel awful saying no. But I know that I gotta be smart with my business, and ultimately I am in the business to make money, make a profit, not to give things for free. Now, there are a few different people that come from all different backgrounds that will ask you for free stuff, and you got to be very selective with those. Like, for example, you might have a request for donations for charity events. So I've done a few of those. I feel in my heart it's good to give back to the community. It benefits me, my brand, what I believe. And I'll give you an example. I did a charity event, a whole balloon arch for kids with cancer. As a mom of two, I just can't see myself not donating just to put a smile on these kids' faces and families that have been through it one way or another. So for me, it was important to show support in that matter, and to get my name out there. It was part of my community. It was very local, and I did it willingly and no questions asked. I did it. So that was a great way to get the name out there in my community, as well as help, and it gives you that feel good moment, right? But there are other scenarios where I've had to give donations. Well, I didn't have to, I chose to give donations to like school events and such. Sometimes grand openings, or why not, because I just wanted to get my name out there. And when you first start as a balloon business, that's your thing. You want to build your portfolio, get marketing going, and what better marketing that to showcase your art in places where you know there's going to be visited by a ton of people, right? So I did that a lot. But with that said, it could get crazy. I mean, I've gotten a lot of business. I shouldn't say business. I've gotten a lot of requests where all they just want is free stuff, and it's not going to benefit me in one way or another. And I've gotten very smart with being able to just decline these offers of collaborations, donations, because I'm not gaining anything out of it. And I don't know why people tend to think that getting the word out there, if I give a shout out to you, if I put you on my page, you're going to be part of our flyer, our website, like that type of marketing exposure is pretty much gonna bring me in some money. Half of the time, like, it doesn't. So I just find it very funny how they try to sell you on this idea, where in reality, all they want is free stuff. And like I said before, I'm in the business to make money and a profit, not to spend my time, my labor, materials. I don't go to Walmart, Amazon, to my distributors and say, hey, if I, give a shout out to you, would you give me free balloons? That's not how it works. So why would me as a business do that, right? So there are time to times where you see those two different scenarios. Like, a lot of the times are like, say, people from school coming to you because they have an event for, the school band, or I don't know, things like what is it called? Like, they're not per se charities, but they're like just events to market their building, to market their grand openings. And it's not going to benefit me in any way or another. So I've learned the hard way. And my best advice is, how do you politely decline these offers, right? So I'll give you an example. If somebody reaches out to me and is not going to benefit my business in any way or another, all they want is just free stuff. You can kind of read between the lines. You can kind of tell, right? The polite way of doing it is saying, thank you very much for reaching out and thinking of my business, right? Because that's the nice thing. They thought of you. So thank you so much for thinking about my business and reaching out. Unfortunately, I've already exceeded the allotment of donations for this year. That's it. Done. Clean. You don't have to give yourself too much blah, 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 or give a reason or an excuse. Just say, listen, like if there are other marketing brands, there are other businesses in general that are trying to get business from you for free, they'll understand. Because chances are they'll probably also get asked for donations or whatever. If it is, say, a mom in a group, and they're doing this event for the school, someone from the PTA or something like that, and they're trying to get free stuff for their event, they'll understand that, you know, you're a business and you probably get asked for donations all the time. So that should be a clean way of politely declining that offer, you know, request. So again, thank them for their time. Thank you so much for the time and thinking of my business. And unfortunately, I just exceeded the allotment for donations for this year. The funniest things, you guys, is that I really had to learn the hard way. I mean, I've been back and forth talking to, you know, this person about, oh, they're trying to get free stuff. And when everything was said and done, I walk into the place and clearly they did have a budget, just didn't want to have a budget for me and my service. You know, like you walked in and they had entertainment, they had like catering, and here I am thinking I'm donating because they truly don't have a budget. Like, and so I've gotten burned before by that. And, you know, it's very like, as a business, it's very disappointing a little bit, because it's like, I'm trying to do something good and people sometimes tend to take advantage of that. So you don't want to get caught up in the mix of all that. So the best advice that I have for you guys is find out about what type of request this is, if it's charity, if it's a charity you truly believe in, because if you do give out to charity, you have to realize that your brand will support that. So you also got to be very smart on that, you know, those particulars. So make sure that you back yourself up and say, yes, my brand does support this charity. So if it's something you truly believe you want to help, that's for you. If it's something that's not going to benefit your brand in any way, your business, and they're just looking to make a free decoration, like they just want free stuff, then you can walk away. They'll understand. A good percentage, they'll understand. Like a good 99.9% of the time, they will understand and say, I completely understand. Thank you so much for replying back. And that's it. You know, if you don't ask, you don't get. But if you don't speak up, you'll get stuck. So I hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Hit the button below so you get notifications every time I, you know, make a video for you guys. And I can't wait to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.